Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fiat wallet on crypto. First, understand that a fiat wallet is crucial for managing your traditional currency within the app. It lets you deposit and withdraw money, acting as a bridge between your bank and your crypto holdings. This setup is essential for converting your digital assets into spendable cash or funding your crypto purchases easily. Let's get started with the initial steps. To begin, open your crypto. App and tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom. From there, you'll see the Fiat Wallet option. Select it and then choose your desired currency, like US dollars or euros. Make sure to carefully read through the terms and conditions presented. Once you understand and agree, accept them to proceed with setting up your wallet. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life much easier. Check the description below for the link to this amazing product and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, you'll need to link your bank account. The app will guide you through selecting your bank from a list or searching for it. Follow the secure on-screen instructions to connect your account. This process often involves logging into your bank's portal through the app. Always double-check that all your bank details are correct to ensure smooth and successful deposits and withdrawals. Once your bank account is linked, you can initiate a deposit. In your Fiat wallet, select Deposit and choose your linked bank. The app will provide you with specific bank transfer details, including account numbers and routing information. Use these details to make a transfer from your bank. Deposits usually take 1 to 3 business days to reflect in your crypto. Fiat wallet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.